Uh, how's it going? I'm Alex. Oh, and today I want to show you the super nice hanging hammock that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that it's just so great. I mean, it is super big, as you can see over here. It's about like 75 inches big. Just the fabric, of course. I'm just talking about the fabric over here, but supports 480 pounds. So technically, if you want, depending on the weight of the persons, on the weight of the people, you can actually get two people inside here. You can get on top of this one two people. So I really like one of the features is that it is very resistant, it is waterproof, and it's super easy to assemble. I think I did it like I put everything together in about 15 minutes. I was just by myself, 15 minutes, no more than that. Let's take a closer look. So a couple things that I like about this one. Number one, it is reinforced everywhere. As you can see, it's reinforced with these ropes everywhere and with the O-rings, the metal O-rings over there. So that it's going to give you kind of like a peace of mind that this thing won't break easily. The other good thing, it has this really big metal O-ring with the chain, so you can actually adjust it if you want to, if it is going too low or something like that, if you're a heavy person or something like that, you can adjust it. I found out that the second or third one are kind of like my, I want to say kind of like the sweet spot for me. The second more than the third one. The third one is kind of like a little bit high for me. Then it comes with this bag, which I don't know what it is, but I think it's kind of like a pocket thing. I put it in here. I have no idea if it goes here, but you can put it anywhere. So you can put your book, your phones, or something like that. And then it also comes with this pillow, which I think it is really great to have. But then let's check this out. So when you remove the pillow, you're gonna see right here, you pretty much you can see it, this metal reinforced bar that you can adjust to the both pieces of wood. You're gonna see here, just kind of like get them together. I want to say that that is super necessary for sure. That is super good to have because again, that's going to give you the peace of mind that this thing won't break because it has the two metal parts over here, but it's not super easy to install. You know, that's the part that I spend the most time in it, kind of like putting that one because it has like a weird, I don't know, like a not super comfortable place. And then of course the metal hook, you can adjust it as much as you can just to tighten it up. I don't recommend that you do that just like the top of the kind of like the metal hook because you may break it, but just adjust it as much as you can so you can be sure that the hook with the chains is actually gonna get to this position right here in both ends. So you have the metal frame over there with the kind of like the locks, so that's gonna be it for just the assembling the frame. Is gonna be those two parts and the right side and the left side, and then basically with the 480 pounds weight limit, I would just say that it's time to chill. So you put inside here. Oh my God. You take advantage of the pillow. Oh, this is so great. This is the perfect place to just take a nap under the sun with the pool, the patio, the barbecue is cooking, and then you're just like chilling over here. It is so great. You can see how wide this thing is just by one person. It is super wide, but of course, just for the weight limit, you can totally put two people in it or some kids as well. I like this thing. I totally 100% recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.